Hi everyone, it's Miss Erin, and today I'm going to read you a story in celebration of Lunar New Year, which is next week, February 1st. Bringing in the New Year by Grace Lin. You open up, you see some wonderful symbols of Lunar New Year. We'll get right into the story. Is the New Year coming? I hope so. We try to welcome it in. So JJ sweeps the old year out of the house. This is a popular custom of sweeping out the old year, so doing some spring cleaning in your house. Baba hangs the spring happiness poems. Mama makes the get-rich dumplings. May gets a fresh haircut. And I put on my New Year qipao dress for the New Year feast. Now will the New Year come? Pop, pop, pop! Do you hear the firecrackers? Are they bringing in the New Year? No, but they brought in the lions. They're here to scare away last year's bad luck. They scare May too. Don't cry, May. See that there's actually the little red envelopes in this picture too. That is another tradition for Lunar New Year that children and unmarried people get a red envelope containing cash. It cannot be 4 or multiples of 4 because the Chinese word for 4 sounds like death. So that would be considered bad luck. Where is the New Year? We carry the lanterns to light its way. I hope the New Year follows soon. So if you probably know a little bit about Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year, that lanterns are a big part of it. Lantern Festival usually marks the end of New Year celebrations in about 2 weeks. Look, there's the dragon. Auntie is waking him up by opening his eyes. The New Year must be coming. The dragon is awake. Is it the New Year at last? Huge picture. Yes, hooray! The New Year is here. Happy New Year, everyone. See that they're banging on they've got the gong in there. They've got some cymbals, all different kinds of noisemakers, all celebrating the New Year with the dragon. So why is it called Lunar New Year? So there's a lot of people that call it Lunar New Year. There's a lot of people that call it Chinese New Year. You're both right if you call it either way. The popular thing is to call it Lunar New Year now, though, because more than just the Chinese culture celebrate New Year this way. And lunar, what does lunar mean? Well, lunar refers to the moon. So Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year falls every year on a different date. This year it is February 1st. That is because it falls on the date of the new moon. See, our moon goes through a cycle of phases. And every time it goes back to the beginning, we call it a new moon. It's a little crescent shape. So on February 1st, go ahead and look up at the sky and see if you can spot that crescent-shaped moon. That is a new moon. And every cycle lasts so long, so the celebrations of Lunar New Year actually continue throughout the lunar new moon cycle. So you might have heard too that somebody said this is the year of the tiger. Does that mean we go to the zoo and we celebrate the tigers? No, although that is always a great idea in my book. That refers to the Chinese Zodiac. So we have our own zodiac in Western culture. You know, I'm a Sagittarius. My daughter is a Gemini. But this is based on the year you were born. So this year, the year of the tiger, if you are a tiger, you were born maybe in 1914, 1926, 1938, 1950, 1962, 1974, 1986, 1998, 2010, 2020. Your strengths are that you're tolerant, you're loyal, valiant, courageous, trustworthy, intelligent, and virtuous. Your weaknesses are that you're arrogant, short-tempered, hasty, and sometimes traitorous. I myself am a rat. You can always look up online what year you were and what your zodiac sign is in the Chinese Zodiac. If you come into the library, we have some really cool crafts for you to take home, and you will also get a copy of this that you can color. You can maybe laminate it, whatever you want to do. So our first craft is for our older friends. It's an Origami Tiger. So inside you will find that zodiac sign. You will find information how to make an origami tiger, and you will also find 2 pieces of orange origami paper so you can make 2 tigers. Maybe give one to a friend. And then our other craft is for our younger friends. It is make a cardboard tube tiger. This one is pretty fun to make. You will find a cardboard tube with a pattern already on it. So what you do is you smush it together and you cut it out along the pattern. Then you use the extra here, or you can use something like a cereal box at home to cut out a head for the tiger. You'll also find some orange paint. So at home, all you will need to do is add some glue to glue the head of the tiger on, and some black. You can give your tiger some stripes. You could also add some white like in the sample picture, but you don't have to because most tigers are just orange and black, right? So I hope you enjoyed our story. Have a wonderful Lunar New Year celebration, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.